Unlocking gardening success. Growing the easiest vegetable. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, today we're going to talk about the easiest vegetable to grow. If you're new to gardening or you've been gardening for a while, this vegetable is one that is very easy to grow. You don't have to do much, and you can get your vegetable easily with no issue. And the vegetable I'm talking about is spinach. Spinach is very easy to grow. You absolutely don't have to do anything. All you need to do is till the soil, plant your seeds, and just make sure that it gets a little bit of water every now and then, and you're good to go. It grows, it comes out, and you can get green, fresh vegetables like this. So this is spinach I'm harvesting. There are different variety of spinach, but this variety, like I said, is very easy. It's just like any other spinach variety. So I'm just harvesting the spinach right now. But like I said, what you need to do is just plant, and you don't have to do much, and it grows, it comes out, you harvest it. And harvesting it is also very easy. You can use your fingers, or you can just use a knife or a garden shear and just clip out the leaves, and more will grow again within a week or two. So that is how you harvest spinach. It's very easy. Just clip out the leaves, and more will come out. And you just want to make sure that you, at least depending on what you use it for, some people prefer the little tiny very young leaves, and some people prefer the older leaves like these that can be used for like soups and other stuff. The fresh leaves are good for eating like salad mixes and smoothies and other stuff. So all depends on what you're using it for, but it's very easy to grow, and very easy to manage, and it grows by itself. This particular one, the ones that I'm harvesting here, I didn't plant it. I planted spinach like maybe 7, 8 years ago, and every time the flower comes out, like the one that I just cut, the flower comes out and spreads the seeds on the garden bed. You get spinach the next season, and just like that, it just keeps coming up. You don't have to plant it, and you get spinach regularly if you let it go to seeds. So I'm just moving around the garden harvesting spinach, and I use spinach for smoothies. We use it for vegetable soups. We also use it to cook other different dishes. So it has a variety of uses, and it's very good. You can also freeze it and use it later on. So definitely it's an easy vegetable to grow, and it has a lot of nutritional value that you can get from it. Even container, you can grow them in container very easily. If you don't have a garden space in the backyard or anywhere in the balcony, you can grow them in containers. All you need to do is put the soil in the container, and then plant your seeds, water it, and you get spinach. So spinach is very easy to grow, and you get fresh green organic vegetable regularly. So once you harvest it like this, maybe within a week or two, you can harvest it again, and just like that, you get spinach, a good spinach supply throughout the growing season. Spinach also does much better in the colder temperatures, when the temperature is a little bit colder than the warmer temperatures. So you can plant them really early. First thing you can plant is spring. Spring is spinach, and that's fine. They can deal with the harsh weather, the freezing, and the cold. You can deal with it. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown spinach and what you use spinach for. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.